Welcome back, friends. Are you frustrated because you have fatty liver and you are looking for the best way to cure it? You've tried everything, but nothing works. Today I will show you how to reduce fat from your liver in one day. Yes, just one day. This remedy is very powerful. Before we go ahead, let me tell you that this video is educational and should not be considered medical advice. The information provided here is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Please consult with your doctor if you have any health problems. Now let's get started. First, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever consumed alcohol? If yes, then stop it right now, because alcohol consumption is the main cause of fatty liver. Also, being overweight or obese can increase the risk of developing fatty liver, so you must maintain a healthy weight to reduce liver fat. To lose weight, you can follow my simple tips. Drink water first. Before consuming anything, drink a glass of water so that you will feel full and reduce the chances of overeating. Eat whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Follow these tips and you will see that you are losing weight and the fat on your liver is also reduced. But there are some vitamins that can help you reduce fat from your liver. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining good health. It helps in the production of bile, which helps in the digestion of fats. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, so include foods rich in vitamin A in your diet, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. Vitamin E is another important vitamin that acts as an antioxidant, protecting the liver from damage caused by toxins. It also helps in the metabolism of fats. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Vitamin D is also essential for a healthy liver. It helps in the regulation of fat metabolism and prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver. The best sources of vitamin D are the sun, fatty fish, and fortified foods. You should also include vitamin B complex in your diet, especially B12 and folate. They help in the production of new liver cells and prevent the formation of scar tissue in the liver. Good sources of B vitamins are lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, green leafy vegetables, and whole grains. Now let's talk about choline. It is an essential nutrient that helps in the transport of fats in the body and prevents their accumulation in the liver. You can get choline from foods like eggs, salmon, beef, broccoli, and cauliflower. Last but not least is methionine. It is an amino acid that plays an important role in the metabolism of fats. Methionine helps in the breakdown of fat and prevents the formation of scar tissue in the liver. You can get methionine from foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and nuts. Following these tips and including all these vitamins in your diet will help you to reduce fat from your liver naturally. But you must also do regular exercises. Exercises like brisk walking, swimming, and cycling will help you to burn calories and reduce weight, which will ultimately reduce the fat on your liver. There are some home remedies that can also help you reduce liver fat. One of them is apple cider vinegar. It is a drink made from fermented apples and is rich in acetic acid. Acetic acid helps in the regulation of blood sugar levels, which reduces the risk of developing fatty liver. You can drink apple cider vinegar in two ways. First, you can dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it daily. Or second, you can add apple cider vinegar to your salads. Turmeric is a spice that contains a compound called curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help in the treatment of fatty liver. You can take turmeric in two ways. First, you can add turmeric powder to your food while cooking. Second, you can consume turmeric capsules. If you want to get rid of fatty liver, then you must start consuming silymarin. It is an extract from the milk thistle plant and has hepatoprotective properties, which means it protects the liver from damage. Silymarin helps in the reduction of liver fat and prevents the development of liver fibrosis. You can take psilocin in the form of capsules or tablets. All these vitamins and remedies will help you to reduce fat from your liver, but you must avoid alcohol and junk foods. Otherwise, all your efforts will go in vain. That's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for getting all the notifications. Stay healthy.